If your project tracker is living in someone's head and a string of emails or a spreadsheet nobody wants to update, let me show you how to build the first clean version with one prompt. And I want to be clear about what we are doing. We are not asking AI to manage the project for us. We are asking it to remove the blank sheet work so we can spend our time making decisions. Now, I am starting with a blank Google Sheet. In the top right, I open Gemini. If you do not see that option, your account or plan may not include the feature yet, so check your Google Workspace access before you assume you are doing something wrong. Now, here is the prompt I am using. Create a project tracker for a 6-week staff AI training rollout. Include columns for tasks, work stream, owner, start date, due date, status, priority, dependency, risk or blocker, and next step. Add drop downs for status and priority. Freeze the header row. Format the date columns and apply conditional formatting to overdue tasks. Add a small summary showing the number of tasks by status. Do not invent employee names or deadlines. Use clear placeholders where information is missing. Now, notice how specific that is. I did not say make me a project tracker. That leaves too many decisions open. I told Gemini what the project is, how long it lasts, which fields matter, which controls I want, and what it must not invent. Gemini will usually show you a proposed structure or plan. Now, as we see, Gemini is showing us the proposed structure of the plan. I will review it and then hit approved. Now we see that Gemini is working and creating the plan. Read that before you insert anything. This is where a lot of people move entirely too fast. And as we can see, Gemini is still working. Let's check the columns. Does this reflect how your team actually works? If your organization needs an approval field, add it. If you track departments instead of work streams, change the language. If a blocker needs an escalation owner, include that. Now, second, check the dates. AI should not quietly make up deadlines that your leadership never approved. If the due dates are unknown, placeholders are better than false certainty. Third, check the drop downs and conditional formatting. Status choices should match your team. I like not started, in progress, waiting, at risk, and complete. But your organization may use something completely different. Now, fourth, test the summary. Change one task from not started to complete and make sure the count changes. If a formula does not update correctly, do not keep building upon it. Fix the foundation first. Now, if this tutorial helped you out, make sure that you subscribe. And if you want professional AI tips delivered directly to your inbox, click the link in description to sign up for my newsletter.